In this video, I'll show you how to book an appointment for a US visa from the UK. So there's a few different steps. First, you need to determine your visa type. So visit the official US visa site for the UK, so you can see that right there, and use the visa wizard if you're unsure which visa you need. Then you need to complete the DS-160 form. So go to the following link and fill out the DC-160 form online and save your confirmation page with the barcode. You will need this to book an appointment. Then create an account on the US Visa Info website, so go to the link you see right there, click apply for a US visa and then a non-immigrant visa, create a profile and log in to the appointment scheduling system. Then you need to pay the visa fee, which is the MRV fee. You will be prompted to pay the machine-readable visa fee, and fees vary by visa type. For example, $185 for a B1, B2 or F1 visa, and the payment methods include online, bank transfer or via PayPal. Then the fifth step is to schedule your appointment, so once the fee is processed, log into your account on ustraveldocs.com/UK, click schedule appointment, then select the visa category and type, and then the location, and choose your appointment date and time. Then to prepare for your appointment, bring the following: so the DS-160 confirmation page, an appointment confirmation letter, a passport, visa fee receipt, and supporting documents based on your visa type. Now these are the appointment locations in the UK, so you have the US Embassy in London, which is the main location for most applicants, but they also have the US Consulate in Belfast. So some notes: appointment wait times vary, so check these sites for updates, and apply early, especially during summer or student visa season. And if you're renewing a visa, you may be eligible for the interview waiver program. So now you know how to book an appointment for a US visa from the UK. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.